Would you pick up this mower? Hey tubers, and welcome back. Today I just want to bring to your attention something I just picked up at the local dump. This is a Craftsman self-propelled mower. Normally I want to pick up something that's in this condition. You can see somebody worked on it before. The screws are out of here. The cord goes back real slow, but it's not seized. A couple of reasons I wouldn't pick this particular motor is that it's going to need a coil on the carburetor side. At the very least, this is going to have to be replaced. So you might be questioning, why did I pick it up? Well, parts. This deck is in pretty solid shape. It's got the big wheels. It's self-propelled. Not sure if this works. If this works and I can't do anything with this engine, the deck alone was worth me taking it. Plus, on this mower here, I have this muffler. This carburetor may or may not be good. I have a gas tank. A lot of times on these units, the gas tanks are cracked. When somebody goes to pull the hose off, they'll break this little stud that's below. It's just something good to have in reserve. There wasn't a blade underneath, but the attachment for the blade was there. And I have a mower that's in good shape that runs, but doesn't have that attachment for the mower. And that attachment's about $8, and I have it from this mower. It's going to go right onto that other mower. That one piece gives me a full mower. So when you see something that somebody's discarded, think about what you have and what parts you may need off it. The downside is, how much room do you have to store these? So if you don't have the room, take off the parts that you need and just bring it back to the dump. Cost you nothing to take it, it costs you nothing to bring it back, providing you have an annual permit. Anyway, with that said, this was just a quick video to give you a couple ideas what you might be able to utilize. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, post your comments down below, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, stay safe and stay well.